In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to sew your little tiny sticker booklet together to create a little booklet that you can insert into your A8 Traveler's Notebook. So to begin, I've got my floss. This is 3 strands of DMC floss, and that would have come in your kit, so you should have that ready. And then I like to use a needle threader for threading it through. This is just a cross stitch needle, but you can use any kind of needle that you want. And thread the floss onto the needle. And then I like to kind of pull it just so that it dents a little bit and it makes it easier to control the floss as you're sewing. And then decide how you want to arrange your books. You can either do this page first or this page first, doesn't matter, whatever's your preference. I think I'm going to do it this way. And then you want to take your floss and go from the back to the front through the top hole, and then go down, sew it through the middle, and then come back up through the back on the bottom hole, and then you want to loop around this bottom hole. So we're going to loop that around. So you can see it's now looped, and then you want to come back through the middle hole, and then back up through the top hole. And now you can remove your needle, pull your DMC floss so that it's nice and tight, and then just tie a knot. And if you're like me, I like to double knot things. When we make these for our clients, we always double knot them because we want things to be more durable and lasting so that they can handle some wear and tear. So double knot that. And then it's up to you if you would like to glue this little knot. If you're going to glue it, you can use a glue gun or you can use like a fine tip crazy glue. That works really well. We always glue ours when we make them for our clients, but again, it's up to you, whatever your preference is. And then once, if you've glued it, you want to wait for it to dry. If you are not gluing it, then you just want to trim off the excess and push the little knot to the back. And there you go. You've just made an adorable little sticker notebook that you can now just slide right into your A8 mini size traveler's notebook, and it'll be fully functional, ready to go.